In this video, we will learn how to customize an existing material in the Select Materials dialog box and how to create a new material. Custom materials are saved in the Custom library. It is possible to customize a material found in the provided libraries. The ArtiCAD default library does not include many carpet colors, and perhaps we need a different carpet color. First, select the material, then click the Customise button. ArtiCAD makes a copy of the material in our custom library and opens it for editing. We can now change its properties. The Color/Texture tab allows us to change the color or the texture of the material. This material has a color selected and not a texture image. To create a different color carpet, we need to select a different color. Click Set Color. We select the color we want for the carpet. The preview shows a carpet-like texture. The material we chose to customize was a carpet. The person who defined it gave it the finish carpet. This customized copy has this finish too. We can view and edit the finish in the Finish tab. To learn how to use these advanced settings, watch the video, How to use the Finish tab to customize the finish of a texture. We should give the material a suitable name. When we are finished, close the dialog box by clicking OK. Our customized grey carpet has been saved in the Custom library. Using the Customise button to create a similar material has the advantage of allowing us to replicate all the features of an existing material and just change what needs to be different. It also copies across the tree structure from the provided library, which can be helpful. To create a new material from scratch, click the Custom library and then click the New button. As before, the Edit Material dialog box opens. The color red is selected by default. We are going to create a carpet with a check pattern, so we give the new material the name Grey Check Carpet. Now we select the image which contains the check pattern. Click Set Texture. Browse for the image which contains the design we want on the carpet. Select the image file. Click Open. The image is shown on the preview. This preview cube is 1 meter or 1000 millimeters cubed. We need the pattern to be bigger on our carpet. To tell ArtiCAD how much area this image should be used for, we need to change the texture size. This image is suitable for an area of 800 millimeters. Now we need to make this look like a carpet. The Finish drop-down allows us to quickly access previously defined finishes. There is a predefined finish called Carpet. Now we have the carpet texture. Click OK. The new material has been saved in our custom library. A third way to make a custom material is to select a material in the custom library and click Duplicate. This works exactly like Customise. Duplicate creates a copy in the custom library and opens it for editing. We can change the color or texture image as before. In this case, we will change the image to create a striped carpet. When we have made the changes we want to make and have named the material appropriately, click OK. The material is saved in the custom library in the same part of the tree as the material it was based on. If we want to change the tree structure in our custom library, we can do this in various ways. We can promote an item by selecting it and clicking Promote. It moves up to the next group. We can drag an item to a different group in the tree. The bypass button allows us to delete a group and move all its children up to the next level. Click on the group name you wish to bypass. Click Bypass. This simplifies the tree structure. Summary. The new, Duplicate and Customise buttons allow us to save customized materials in the custom library. To customize a material in a provided library, select the material and then click Customize. We can now change its properties. Click OK to save the changes. The customized material is saved in the custom library. To create a new material, click the custom library and then click New. The Edit Material dialog box opens. Give the new material a name and select the colour or texture file for the material. Predefined finishes allow us to quickly access useful finishes. Click OK to save the new material. The Duplicate button allows us to make a copy of a material in the custom library so that we can make another similar material. This is a quick way to create new materials with the same finish settings but a different texture, image or colour. The Promote and Bypass buttons allow us to rearrange the tree structure.